Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new here, I am a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. Today, we are doing part 2 of the Is Your Job on the AI chopping block. So if you haven't seen part 1, I will leave it down in the description. Go ahead and check out part 1. But this is part 2. And in this video, I'm going to give you a list of 14 jobs that AI is slowly chipping away at. But I'm also going to provide a solution. What can we do about it? What do you do about it if your job is on one of these lists? So let's get into number 17. Number 17 is music composer. So music composer of stock footage. There's no secret that AI can do this in seconds, whereas human beings take a little bit longer to do this. So now places that you get your stock music from could be built by AI to create the music. AI is creating royalty-free music at a faster pace. It's kind of like a vending machine of audio, just churning out song after song after song, which leaves the human composers at a disadvantage. 18 is a loan officer. Fintech companies right now are using an AI software that is able to approve or deny loans in minutes, whereas a human loan officer had to look at all the data points, get all the documents, take time to review them. That AI can do in, like I said, just minutes. Number 19 is a quality assurance tester. So there's AI platforms out here that can replace the human need for a quality assurance tester and can do the job in seconds before the human being even sees what the problem is. They can write, execute, and test software. They're like self-repairing robots on a factory line. They can do all of these things and a lot faster than humans can do them. Number 20 is warehouse picker. So I know you've all seen how Amazon warehouses work, where they have robots going up and down the aisles and picking the perfect item, the item that you ordered, to place it in a bin, to then go on a conveyor belt and all of these things. But what happens when these robots are hired, that means humans are not. So the AI guided robot goes up and down the aisles and picks the products, reducing the need for human pickers on the floor. Number 21 is a recruiter. So there's AI softwares that can pull in thousands of resumes and vet them for the job and see if they are the best candidate just by scanning their resume. And after that, they can conduct initial automated screenings, which is shrinking the need for the human recruiter altogether. Number 22 is a broadcast radio DJ. So iHeartMedia right now has a DJ called DJ Ashley, which is a clone of their actual real human DJ. And this AI DJ is able to run the show, play songs, and speak like a normal person. But that just goes to show you that even this genre is able to bring in AI and have it be successful, which means there are less jobs for human DJs. Number 23 is television news writers. So with AI writing and generating scripts, there is not a need for a television news writer. Local TV stations use the same tech for weather, sports, and all of their different reporting genres, turning writers into editors. Number 24 is a travel ticketing clerk. Now, Expedia has an AI software that can rebook any missed flight in 12 different languages in just a few seconds while you might be still taxiing down the runway. Human agents are now only sent in when there is a meltdown or a problem that these bots cannot handle, which is dramatically reducing the job pool in this industry. Major US airlines are really trimming down these roles this year. And if you've ever seen your check-in kiosk and all of these different things that you can do without a human that you used to do with a human, those are jobs gone. Phlebotomy, which is drawing blood, now has a new robot arm which is able to find your vein in 91% accuracy. This means the first time you're pierced with a needle, they can find a vein that they can draw the blood from. And sometimes the human that is doing this cannot. So a lot of hospital networks are cutting the phlebotomy shifts in half. Number 26, architectural drafter. So there's AI software that can generate a 3D model of an architectural structure from a 2D drawing, which is sometimes very time-consuming for a real human architect. And the AI software can do this in half of the time. Number 27, personal stylist. So websites like Stitch Fix often use AI software to help curate and manage a person's style that they pick, to curate their style and to put it in a box and ship it. This eliminates the use for human stylists. All right, if you're still here, thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and click the like if this video is providing you with some value. Now let's get into my next one. Number 28 is a pharmacist technician. So what this robot does is count package, and label the prescriptions so that it eliminates the need for the pharmacist that used to do this. And what it's used for is to promote accuracy, and it can reduce the shifts of pharmacists on duty at any particular time, which means less jobs due to AI. Number 29 is stock trader. The vast majority of the stock market trades are now executed by AI algorithms, which means that the stock traders are now simply doing monitoring of this AI automated system. Number 30 is long-haul truck driving. Anonymous trucking pilot is what they're called, and a company named Aurora is already running trucks on the interstate like this in Texas. So what does this mean for you if you're a truck driver? This means that this will dramatically reduce your work and taking away or automating one of the most common jobs in our country. So now I told you we were not just gonna give you a problem, we were gonna also give you a solution. So let's talk about what we can do if our jobs are on this list or if we think the AI is coming for our jobs. So you pick the best one that works for you. So the first thing to do is train the machine. Become the humans that train AI. So for example, LinkedIn's fastest growing job title last month was prompt engineer. So put simply, that just means somebody who is training AI to do something. So you don't have to be the violinist like AI. You can be the conductor that tells the whole orchestra what to do and how to create the masterpiece. So put simply, take an AI class, learn how AI works, and then learn how to work AI. Option number 2 is double down on what AI cannot do, which is unique human skills. AI can learn how to read a dictionary and know all the words in the dictionary and the meaning in just a few minutes. But AI doesn't know how to read a room like a human can. AI has a photograph of fire, but you have the knowledge of how the warmth of fire makes you feel. So what does that mean? Triple down on cross-cultural communications, ethical calls in gray areas, creative reframing to flip problems into solutions. AI doesn't know how to do this yet, and so you know how to do this. These are the skills that survive every technical shift. All right, option number 3, learn AI like physical fitness. Think about it this way. A 15-minute walk is way better for your body than a once-in-a-year marathon. One micro skill a month. The first month, you could learn Mid-Journey. The second month, you can learn another AI software. This will help you to get better one software at a time or one AI function at a time. What is your favorite AI software that you like to work with, and which AI software are you going to start learning next? So if any of you guys found value in this video, or if any of your jobs have been one of the jobs that I've listed, let me know down in the comments. If you haven't seen part 1, it is down in the description. Go ahead and check out part 1. So even though AI is deleting some jobs, AI is also creating jobs quietly and just as fast. We just have to know where to look. If you think of it like this, you can treat AI like a power drill. So instead of calling it a serial killer of jobs, you are the hand that is holding the power drill that is doing the work. So like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.